Have a fridge with a funky smell you can't stand? Feel tired of food that lacks its fresh taste? Got food in your fridge that just makes you freak? Well, fear no more, for Fridge Fresh is here!
Choose new Arm & Hammer Fridge Fresh to save you and your fridge from smelly bad foods. There's truly nothing like it out there. Inspired by Grandma's ways, we have improved the old baking soda to freshen fruit trick for your need and convenience.
The brand that everyone has trusted for over 165 years has done it again. You will love the new way Fridge Fresh freshens your fridge. Just look, Grandma's ways sure did work to keep foods fresh, but the struggle to maintain that baking soda has turned into a real inconvenience. But Arm & Hammer's new Fridge Fresh has taken that hassle away.
Make Canada's #1 baking soda brand your #1 choice.
It's so simple to start with only a 3-step process to use. Change only every 30 days to virtually eliminate odors and help food taste fresher longer.
Fridge Fresh truly is a terrific product, and you're missing out if you don't have it. Order one now for the low price of $9.99. To order, call 1-800-867-5309. But oh wait, it doesn't stop there. If you call in the next 30 minutes, we'll throw in another, free of charge. Just pay extra shipping and handling. Act casual. Okay. Okay. Just like your head.
No, my hand. Okay.
Slowly zooming it in. Look at that ketchup. Look how fabulous that ketchup is. Yeah, you go ketchup. Right. Now it's zooming out. Woo! Page. Okay. La la la.
Make Canada's #1 baking soda brand.
Dear, why must it break?
Okay, it's like going up.
No, just knock it over. Come on, please. Oh.